gorgeous. This is Melanie here from Makeup by Melanie B with Farmasi, and I have 4 lipsticks for you today. Sorry, not 3. I haven't shown you the other one I've had for a few days. So I'm going to show you 4 lipsticks, and then I'm also going to show you 1 new matte liquid lip that I've gotten since I've done my last liquid lip video. So let's get started. So the first one I'm going to show you, it doesn't have a sticker on it now, but I know what it is. It is Dusty Rose, and I want to say this is an intense lip color. So we have several lines of lipsticks. There's the matte liquid lip, and then there's the intense, there's the true, there's the BB, and then there's one other kind, and I can't think of what it is. But this one's the intense, and it's called Dusty Rose, and this is just a really pretty neutral. So it's a warm, kind of a nude lip. Just a really pretty everyday going out kind of thing. But it does have a warm tint to it for those of you who are cool skin toned and like a cooler color. So I'm going to take this one off and we're going to move to the next one. Oh, the last type of lipstick we carry is the matte lipstick. So it's not matte liquid lip. It is that too, but it's a matte lipstick. So this one is number 26, and I believe this one is Posh Plum. It does not look like a plum or pink like I imagined it would. It's beautiful, but it is not exactly my tone, my skin tone, but that is fabulous. Number 25, and this is also the matte lipstick. So 25, and I can't remember which one this is, but I'm going to put the numbers and the names down in the description. So that one's pretty too. Again, it's very warm on me. So, you know, it's not that I won't wear them, but they're probably not going to be my family of colors. But what a really pretty color that is. It's funny how these all look different on somebody else. All right, and then this one is 27. And it looks like this. So again, this one I thought was going to be very cool. It looks very warm now that I'm opening it up. Let's try it, you never know. And normally I would wear lip liners with these, but I'm gonna tell you, I just did a video for you guys with 9 lip liners and I don't think my lips can take it. So I'm gonna put on a little lip conditioner right now. It's number 27. Very warm on me. Beautiful, but very warm. And I don't know why lip colors do that on me. All right, one more color, and this is not a lipstick. It is. It is not a tube lipstick. It is a matte. And this one is Superstar. I'm not gonna put on a lip liner. I'm just gonna go in with Superstar. And this one is number 6. All right. Waterline. Superstar. That is a fabulous, deep, gorgeous, freaking color. Oh, I love it. Okay. So it was a little tricky to put on without lip liner. So I'm going to recommend, if you buy this color, get a coordinating lip liner. 227 would probably work. I'm trying to think of the other one I just did a video on. Check out the video because I think there's going to be some that are kind of deep colored that are going to look good with this one. That is really beautiful. not necessarily with the eye look I'm wearing, because my eye look is a little bit bold and you don't necessarily want a bold lip, but that is just a beautiful, deep, like Snow White red color. I mean, Snow White's red was probably a little more like cherry red, but that, oh, I love it. Okay, sorry, I digress. Let's go over with a little lip plumper, and then I'm gonna have to clean this wand off. I just changed that up completely. All right, so there you go, guys. That is it for today. And I hope you found something you like. And if you did, go shopping down in my link down there in the little description, or come over there on the group at Facebook and join me, and we'll discuss what you need in your life, okay? All right, you know you need makeup every day, right? It's a need, it's not a want. Just kidding. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, join the group. Click the bell here on YouTube so you get notifications. And did I say subscribe? That's the important thing. Make sure you subscribe so you'll know that there's going to be more videos. All right, you guys, thank you as always for watching, and have a wonderful day.